Once upon a time, there lived a pretty bluebird named Kiki. Kiki loves flying during the day in search of worms. One day, Kiki found a little worm on the ground. She flew closer to the worm and said, "Hi, little worm. Sorry I've got to eat you because I'm so hungry." "Please, little bird, don't eat me," said the worm. "We can be good friends. I have got no mother, no father, no sister, and no brother." Kiki felt sorry for the lonely worm and promised not to eat the worm. "Come fly with me," said Kiki. Kiki and the little worm flew to a beautiful fairyland. "Wow, this fairyland is so beautiful," said the little worm. "The fairies have magical powers," said the bird. "They can grant our wishes." "Hi, pretty fairy." "Hi, little bird. How may I help you?" said the little fairy. "My friend would like to make a wish." "It's my pleasure to grant wishes. May I hear your friend's wish?" "Please, fairy, may you turn me into a bird," said the worm. The pretty fairy immediately turned the worm into a bird. "Wow, I am now a bird just like Kiki. Thank you very much, pretty fairy. I do understand that you got no family. Kiki is now your friend and family." Kiki and her friend lived as best friends forever. The end.